Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Forex Graduates. So today I'll be showing you how to turn a small account into a big account as a Forex trader. It could be from $5 to $100, it could be from even $2 to $50 or $10 to $300. But the main thing is how to actually boost a small income. So I'll be showing you exactly how to do it step by step, and also a video that you'll be able to look through and do it yourself. Alright, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I've been trading for a very long time, and I do have another channel. If you are new to who I am, I'm Tabo. I have another channel which I was doing for trading, which was combining trading and making money online. But now I decided to make a trading only channel. This is why this channel is new. So on the other channel I was showing people how to grow small accounts to big accounts, but in this channel I want to just focus more in-depth stuff, right? How to actually practically do it over and over again and make money. Alright, so listen right through to the end. Okay, so what I'll be doing for this video, I'll be showing actually a video that I did on my other channel. So if you don't know, the channel is the Work at Home Graduate. So we'll go right into it and we'll look at how I actually turned $5 to $100 in 3 weeks, not even a month. So you can go check it out yourself and see this is real. It's a real account. Everything was done, right? This is what I do. So that I show people who want to scale up their accounts. Okay, right, let's get into and show you this video of how to turn it, and then you're gonna look at it. So I'll basically be looking at it, and then what we'll be doing afterwards, you'll actually be seeing how you actually can do it yourself. So guys, as you can see, this is basically the video that I'll be looking at. So this is my other channel, the Work at Home Graduate. Okay, so I'll just say $5. So I turned a $5 account to 100 in 3 weeks. Okay, so here's the video. This one, how to turn $5 to $100 in less than a month. Actually, I turned it to $150 when you watch the whole video. Alright, let's look at it step by step. Hello guys, welcome to the Work at Home Graduates, where I show you how I make money online with mainly Forex and also other ways that I make money on. Okay, so skip. I just want to show you for a demonstration that it is possible to grow a small account and take it into a huge account. Okay, so if you're ready, let's start the journey of going to $100 from $5, okay, within three weeks. Okay, so let's do it. Today is day 1, week 1. So let's start with the process. Okay, I hope you're ready. Let's go. Yeah. Hello guys. So today, as you can see guys, this was 4 years ago. So obviously now I was already a pro at that time. So now this is nothing to me. So I'll be showing you more how to turn small accounts. We'll probably do a doubling accounts video, the next one, or 2 videos from now, or the next one. I'll show you how to double an account, maybe a $1,000 account. So if I say $1,000, it could be any amount. You can start with $100, turn it to $200. The main thing is to double it, right? How I can take a 144 Rand, which is what, $10. So as you can see guys, this is in rands. So my rands in currency South Africa, so ZAR, which is like $5. So as you can see the balance here, and take it for. So guys, as you can see, I started this and I just made the screen bigger. So this is basically, I started this account $5 to 100. So as you can see, this is in ZAR, in my currency, South African currency. So it means this is $5. So it started at $5. So we're turning it into $100. So it should be about 2,000 I think 2000 or something like this. Alright, yeah. Okay, I can't remember the real exchange rate. So, okay, let's get it started. For a week or a month, in roughly 3 weeks. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so I just entered these ones. I'm actually using the broker's money, not my money. So we'll see how it goes. So this was day one, $5 as I said. So as you can obviously watch it yourself, but as it goes, actually I got a lot of people came to me through this video because I was real. I'm always transparent. Okay, so the accounts went, I've entering trades. So as you can see, everything was in profit. And I think I closed, yeah. It was already 662, which is, yeah, 662 Rand. So that's like nearly 5 times. Yeah, 5 times already. Yeah, so I'm still holding, but it's already in dollars. Maybe there'll be, I think in dollars, be just below maybe $10. Yeah, or somewhere there. Be up to 662. Okay, we keep updating. So week 3 it went to 1,766. So it was already like $100 in 3 weeks. But I continue to go forward, right? So you can see it went further. If I made more money, see it went to 2.5. That's when I withdrew the money. Okay, here then I was explaining here, like the whole process. You can watch it yourself, guys, but yeah, it's not, yeah. All right, so I'll be explaining how to actually do this. Okay, so let's get into how this works. So this is basically based on higher highs and higher lows. We already talked about this in a few videos. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back. Right, so higher highs and higher lows. Remember, we're going up. So for this particular scenario, we're always gonna look at our support and our resistance. Okay, so this part is our support, is our resistance and support. And now this is our new resistance, new support. Alright, so again, check the previous video how to do this. Okay, I labeled it step by step, so if you miss any video, then it'll be hard for you to follow through. Alright, okay, so what you want to do, we want to buy on higher lows, okay, around this area using price action, which I'm going to show you. We look at 2 candlesticks. So if one does not exist, the other should exist. Right, so let's start. Here when we doing an uptrend, we're only buying on higher low. Please write that down. We're only buying at higher low for this strategy or this technique that I'm highlighting how to grow an account. Okay, so we buy at higher low, and here we also buy at higher low. Okay, so that's the main thing. The first thing to establish the trend, right? First thing, the trend is uptrend, right? And then look at higher lows. We're buying at higher lows. Then the third confirmation or thing is to look at your candlesticks. So either your pin bar or your engulfing candles. Okay, let's look at it. Right, so let's start. I think I start. Okay, let me start this way. Okay, so these are the two main things we look at. Let me just put it like this. Okay, so bearish pin bar and a pin bar and a bullish pin bar. This is we use only when you're going down, when you have a downtrend, lower lows and lower highs. This one we use it when you're having uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Alright, so in this case now we're gonna be looking at this. Remember, when do we buy? We only buy at our higher low. We look for this candle's formation. So this pin bar, this let's say pin bar, or you can also be a hammer, which there's no candlestick at the end. So if you see this formation with this one and the green one pushing right through, that's a nice hammer telling us we're going up. Vice versa for going down, for bearish. But for this one, we're currently looking at this one. So green pin bar and this green bullish candlestick. Okay, these need to be fulfilled. Okay, let's go to our so as I put here, we look at bullish pin bar here, right? Only at here, we don't buy here. Okay, there's other strategies where you can buy here to confirm. I also teach that to my students, but obviously I don't want to go in depth I'm focusing on this price action, on how to grow this account the fastest. The other strategies are also, even if you understand those, you can use this and the other ones in conjunction, and it can be even better. But in any case, let's go. So higher low, you only look for pin bar here and also here on our higher low, pin bar, bullish pin bar here and here. That's when we buy, right? And then the opposite, when we're selling, we only look at our candlesticks for this, because we're selling, and this selling. All right, so in that case, we're going to look at it's the same thing, but it's inverted. So usually it's called inverted pin bar. So this is it. So it's like pushing, and then there's a pin bar, and then the red pushing down, telling us it's going down. All right, so if we go there it is. We look at only at our lower high. We look for this pattern, and here too. Okay, remember, this will be a resistance. We're selling once we see this pattern, and then you see the resistance again. You saw this pattern too, and then we're looking for sells. All right, so you can do that as your to actually what I did. Okay, let's look at an example on our chart. Okay, so for example, this was a uptrend here, and then it was down. Let's see if we can find the patterns here. Those those pin bars here, and then also here. Okay, let's first zoom into this a bit. So if I move this closer, so I'll just put my support and resistance here, support here, resistance, new support, new resistance, turn to support here. Now we have a new resistance over there, and so on. So here we need to look at our candlesticks. So I'll just highlight those places quickly so you can check any of these places. And here, okay, here. So I'm specifically looking for those candlesticks. So if you look here, there were no pin bars formed like that we really wanted. Nothing has happened. However, we can see engulfing. Can you see engulfing pattern here? Alright, so the green was way too big compared to the red. Sometimes it doesn't really happen, obviously. So that's why I'm saying with trading, you need to have it's good to have this, but if you have a strategy, like I teach my students, they can just add this as their tool for more of a confirmation. Alright, but you'll see it works wonders. So here, this looked like engulfing, or even here, although it's not really precise, but I want something clear. This is also engulfing. Seems like a lot of engulfing patterns are happening. So if you don't see a pattern that is a hammer, you can use an engulfing. So that's basically how you can enter on these supports.